We'll go to our Start button and choose Settings. Here's where we can change the time and language in Settings. And if you'd like to change your language, you can click Language here. Now, what I did was I went ahead and downloaded the Spanish language. So you can see both English and Spanish. And if you hit the drop down, you can see both options. So if I'd like to change from English to Spanish, I can do so. But I'll have to restart, and then it'll all be in Spanish. If I want to change to a different language than that, I'll just click Add a Language. And I'll just choose the first one at the top, click Next, and then it'll start downloading that language. And that download can take anywhere from a couple of minutes up to 10 or 15 minutes, depending on the speed of your connection. And then you'll see that option in the drop-down list, and then we'll go ahead and click Install, and then we'll be able to drop down to that particular language as soon as the download is done. Now, after you change that display language, you'll have to restart in order to see it. If you want to go back to a different language, come back to the same spot, change to the different language, and then once again restart, and you'll be back in.